welcome back. So here's the thing. Yesterday, we had a Porsche come in with a bat.
I can get that. Let me do that. All right, thank you. So yeah, yesterday we had a Kia. Well, we didn't have a Kia Stinger yesterday. We had a Panamera Porsche yesterday. Today it's a Kia Stinger. Same issues. Same company did the work. Customer unsatisfied. Was charged a decent amount of money, and yeah, we're kind of upset for both customers. And we just don't do business that way. So we're thankful to have the opportunity to be able to show these people what a professional vinyl wrap installation looks like, because when you're given a bad example and you spend a lot of money, I feel like you should get either some of the money back or you know, something needs to happen. So just not a good thing. So today I'm just going to show you guys a little bit more of the process. Hopefully we don't see this anymore. But if we do, we'll continue to fix it and get everybody taken care of. So,
and here we go.
All right, what's up, guys? Update: we removed all the old wrap, kind of uncovered all the secrets that was under there, and now we're actually orienting all the carbon fiber to flow one direction. That's a key important thing when it comes to doing carbon fiber on multiple panels. So we got everything prepped, about to wipe it down once more and start laying. Stay tuned. That's all I got. Stay tuned. You guys ever saw that movie Insidious? That's the best way I could describe what these boys did to this guy's car.